Hey guys, we're out in front of the barn here, and we're gonna have an interesting couple days here on the farm. As you can see, it's starting to snow, and it's not gonna stop.
Saturday night right now.
Yep, starting to snow, and it's not gonna stop. Saturday night, it's supposed to go through Monday morning.
Yep. And when it's snowing hard, we're supposed to be getting 1 to 4 inches an hour. So, AccuWeather, which I do usually trust them in the summertime, but I don't know if I can believe them because they say 2 to 3 feet of snow on the ground by Monday morning. Well, if that's the case, there's going to be barns going down in the area.
Those calf hutches are going to be about halfway up with snow.
And it's supposed to be really windy, like 40-mile-an-hour winds. So I know some people are used to this kind of stuff, but we're in central Wisconsin, so we're like an hour from Wausau, and the highest recorded snowfall, I think in one day, in one event, was 22 inches in Wausau. And they're talking some people are saying like AccuWeather 2 to 3 feet. Our local channel saying like 12 to 18 inches plus, and then that's just our little circle, but then you get outside that and it's 20 to 30 inches. So time will tell what we actually get. But tell them about the feeding.
So we're feeding. Normally we always feed in the morning, so we did that this morning. We fed in the morning. Right there's the mixer actually, and then we're feeding again now at nighttime, so that way we don't have to feed tomorrow morning, because if there's a 1.5 feet of snow on the ground, it's gonna be hard to feed.
Yeah.
So,
and not only that, but we're gonna be busy doing, I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of problems from it, and we're just all gonna be busy doing stuff from that. And Steve was willing to come back and feed tonight instead of coming tomorrow, so I'm all good with that. It's cold enough in the wintertime, you can get by with that. And we're actually only like 10 hours early, from what it would be tomorrow morning. He started at 5, so yeah.
This video is kind of going to be like that video we did a little while ago where it's really cold outside, where we know something's going to happen, we don't know what's going to happen, so we're sitting around waiting for
pretty much
things to pop up pretty much. So
it's like, it's exciting, but when you're dairy farmers, probably a bad exciting, like, if that makes sense. Like, it is exciting to be like, it would be an all-time record to get 2 feet of snow, and 3 feet of snow would be like, whoa, blew it out of the water. I can't imagine
how long has it been snowing for.
Yeah, and the ground ain't really froze underneath because everything was unthawed, and it's a little froze, but we're gonna be digging dirt up when we're plowing snow.
It's been snowing for about an hour and 45 minutes, would you say?
Yeah, probably.
And we already got inch and a half here.
But the heaviest stuff is supposed to come like tomorrow morning.
Yep,
like
it's just starting
early in the morning, like 7 to noon or something.
These flakes are tiny compared to what's probably coming.
Oh, so. Yeah. They said the flakes.
Blizzard warning till 7 a.m. tomorrow.
No, 7 a.m. Monday.
Oh, Steve told me tomorrow morning.
I'm pretty sure it's through Monday.
Okay.
Yeah, because tomorrow it's through Monday. It's like a day-and-a-half blizzard warning. So, at least.
I don't know. Steve told me 1 a.m. tonight till 7 a.m. tomorrow.
We'll have to check on that. We'll look on that and get back to you.
We'll see.
So the milkman was here tonight. He normally comes in the morning. He was here tonight. He's worried that they're going to not be able to get to the farms. People are going to be dumping milk. So he came and emptied us out, all but like 3,000 pounds. So we're good till tomorrow, tomorrow night sometime. So
tomorrow afternoonish.
Yeah, they'll have to get back here. We'll be dumping milk. So anyhow.
Yep. Well, stay tuned and see what happens.
Yeah.
We're doing everything we can to prepare for it, but
yeah, we moved a whole bunch of heifers around and everything, and Abigail's calling.
All right. And we're prepared. We went and started up our generator today, make sure that thing's gonna run and fire up, and yeah, we ran it for about 15-20 minutes, made sure it's good to go just in case we had happened to lose power, which we're not saying we're not gonna lose power, and we're not saying we will. So there's definitely a possibility we'll lose power, but we're prepared, or we hope that we're prepared. So yep, stay tuned. Pick you guys up in the morning unless something happens tonight. So see you in the morning. Hey guys, probably can't see us very well here. We're trying to go down the highway here.
I'm literally at a standstill.
Yeah.
I'm going like 10 miles. Never seen anything like it. It's crazy.
Yeah.
And it's supposedly just starting. There's way over a foot on the ground already.
It's only been about 10 hours since we were at the farm. Less than that.
No, less than that. 6 hours.
Not 6. It's crazy.
It's here. It's been here for a little bit, but it's got a long. We're gonna get a lot more snow than this, but this we got way over a foot already. Never seen anything like it. It's just crazy. It just is.
This is crazy, man. Look at this. It's like a foot deep everywhere. Look at this drift here where the milk van usually goes. There's 3 feet right there underneath that loader bucket where it's drifted up. This is unreal. It's absolutely coming down now. Yeah, this is nuts. We gotta get these calves pushed out so they can feed. This is crazy. Never seen anything like this before.
So this is plowing behind the hutches here early this morning, and like I say, it's supposed to snow all day long like this. It's crazy. So we're driving down the road now. We're going to work together at the heifer farm and try to get that plowed out so we can feed them. But obviously the snow plow, if he has gone, it's been a long time because there's well over a foot of snow on this highway. Well, here we are at the heifer farm. We got the mixer. Jaren's up here with the loader. He's getting out of the loader. He thinks he twisted his ankle. He fell on the ground. This stuff is super slippery. It's like really wet. So it's exciting, but it's not, like I said, it's not a good exciting. So yeah, you can see how it's packed in them wheels. It's just very slippery. That whole loader is just sliding sideways. The snow is literally, yeah. Girls, we're trying to get you some feed. So is what we're doing. We're at the heifer farm. We're trying to clean this snow out of here so we can get here with the feed. These girls, there was some feed here, but there was so much snow on top of it, we just had to throw it out. They aren't gonna sort through that snow and eat that feed. So they're hungry. We need to get them some warm, or not some warm feed, but some fresh feed. And at least make their bellies happy. How's the other end? How's the other end, Jaren?
Built up 2 feet.
I'm not going to be able to get out of there, right?
No.
You're going to have to move it?
I'm gonna push it at least forward.
You're going to do it with this or the skid steer?
This.
All right.
Skid steer, I got stuck in like 4 inches. This thing
Yeah, there's more than 4 inches. So normally we come out of that barn, spin around, and go back in. But not today. I fed it all on one side. We'll just use the skid steer and bucket some over to the other side for the other heifers. So, Jaren, I need that bucket out of here. I fed them all on one side so I didn't have to turn around.
Oh,
Was it right here?
I think so.
Yeah, good luck. Someplace here. It's the feed bucket. Is that the feed bucket?
Yeah.
All right. Just take that back and I'll clean it out. Then you can, I'll clean the hookups out. You move this snow so I can get out here and get it. Yeah, these are up. You got to make sure you get this cleaned out here. Otherwise it'll pack full of snow. You'll pack that snow in there and then it won't lock. Then it'll be fun digging it out when it's all packed in there. So much better to do it first. Doesn't always happen that way. Sometimes I think I can get it and then end up packing the snow in and then you gotta dig it out. What a mess.
nuts, guys. Look at this. This was just plowed out a little while ago and coming back, but walking through here, there's no calves in this little section I'm walking through. It's knee deep. It's knee deep. I'm not really a short person. I'm not really a tall person. Pretty average, and it's up to my knees. And this calf hutch here's got about 2 feet on top of it. Go inside there, it's all nice and dry. Yeah, let's go in there. So there's about 4 foot of snow on top of this hutch. There, I just knocked some off by hitting it. Anyhow, it's like this on the outside here, and there's snow up top. There's really good insulation in here, actually. Zero wind coming in here. There'd be straw in here if there's a calf in here, obviously, but it is crazy out here. Look at this snow. Look at these hutches. It's up to the back door. Drifted up to the back door, yeah. It's insane. Here it's almost waist deep, but this is a drift in between. Look at that. It's pretty deep. Here's some calves over here. You can see they're inside. They haven't even came outside yet. Some bigger calves in there chilling. Oh, it's coming down. Man. Hey guys, look at this. We're going on the highway. Look at the snow bubbling up there on the front tire. A couple feet deep. This is crazy. I could probably get it.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, the storm's only half over. This is a chest high drift right here. Holy cow. Wait till I get to the bottom. Okay, I'm about probably a foot from the bottom yet. It's already chest high. That is crazy. Big old drift. Going down the road. Look at this. Packed in there. Anyhow, going down the road. Snow is just bobbling up all over. It's crazy. All right, look at here. Oh, the door's locked. Door's locked because Leah pushes down on the door here. You can see her little paw marks. And breaks into our shop, and we don't want the heated shop to be open when it's cold outside. So she sneaks in there, and we leave her in there sometimes. But look at the backside of this drift, man. Some gnarly stuff. It's like a wall. I've never seen this. Woo! All right, so there's a little drift there, and then you got the big drift there. That's crazy. What do you think, Leah? Yep, she's excited. Let's get this snow away from the door. Then let's see what we can do here. Raise her up a little bit. Might have to ham bomb that, but we'll see. Wow, we got some snow piles around here. Look at that sucker. Some monster right there. Look at the snow on top of the barns. This is a snowstorm if I've ever seen one. Holy cats.
Hey guys. It's the second day of the blizzard. And we're walking down the road at 4:30 in the morning. We're stuck in a snow drift. The dually's in the ditch. Actually, we're stuck in the ditch. Just got put in there by a snow drift. Some big snow drifts. And just walking to the farm. It's windy. Supposedly 35 to 55 mile an hour wind gusts. So it's a little cold out here, but we're getting there.
Hey guys, we made it to the farm here in the Steiger. It's about 5 o'clock, and get moving some snow over by the feed so they can start feeding cows. Yeah, made it down here. The truck didn't make it very far, but we made it very far, so yep, good deal. We're here, so we'll worry about the truck later. It's pretty deep. Snow's up to the hood because the ditch was drifted in, so yeah.
Hey guys, so I'm in our milk house right now. This is our tank 2, this is our tank 1. Got something to show you here. They are, so that is just a little bit full. And the other one is the same. So the milk right now is going down the drain. So our milkman said he's been hauling milk for 35 years. He's never lost a drop of milk from not being able to get there. Well, we're dumping milk. So that just goes to tell you how bad this storm was today. I'm outside right now. The wind is supposed to blow like crazy tonight. It's supposed to be 35 to, it's blowing pretty good right now. 35 to 55 mile an hour winds. So yeah, it's really blowing. But you can see the milk all over the floor, going down straight to the manure pit is where it's going to end up. This is one of them storms that I experienced, and I'll probably never experience it again. So, once in a lifetime storm.
Got a little bit of an incident here. Loader's a little bit in the ditch. Oh boy, I'm falling. I was not hearing this happen. Wow. Okay, hang on, let me get my differential on. Hang on. Just wait. Let me get over. Huh? Yeah, I did. Yeah, it's going right now. Yeah. Okay, hang on. Where's my stuff? Got him out of there. He was in there good. We pulled out really easy.
On the camera what you did?
Yeah,
You
so
got the loader stuck? No, I'm just kidding. I did it.
Yeah. So
Tires are bald.
Tires are bald. It was facing that way. We pulled at the opposite way he was facing and spun him right around and pulled him out. Tractor's a beast. Like, so far it's proven its point. Good deal. We're on the highway here, so we should probably get going.
There's the truck. Oh. Well, we buried it. There it is. Honestly, John, I think we'd have made it. Yeah. Must have been I just couldn't see.
Alright, let's pull him out, huh? Yeah, we hit a drift, went in the ditch. Here goes nothing.
I don't think we're gonna need no drift.
Of course the chain came off. Alright. Alright, we got him. Good deal. Hey guys, so it's 1:40 in the afternoon, Sunday, my bad. Anyhow, I hinted at this, or we hinted at this in a video. I believe it was Cows and Kubota. That video we did a little while ago. Anyhow, I just kind of got to break the ice here. We couldn't keep up with the snow. It just stopped snowing. And sitting inside our new tractor. We're gonna do a special video on this soon, but we just had to break the ice because we're using it and couldn't hide it. So it's a 2023 Case IH 470 Steiger. Yeah, we got it on auction. Ain't gonna go into too many details. I'll save that for a special video. But we got a brand new Grouser blade on here, 16 foot. If you look right there, it says Echowood Holsteins. That's kind of cool. Anyhow, we're pushing snow with this bad girl. Get out and show you guys. It's a really nice tractor. It really is. Woo. Look at that snow. That's pretty deep. Yeah. Pretty nice tractor. It's sweet. Oh man. Yeah. It could definitely push a lot of snow, that's for sure. 470 Steiger with the Grouser blade. That's pretty crazy. But it's real. It's here. Trying to get all the snow on the cab. We just couldn't hide it from you guys, but we're gonna do a special video on it soon. Let's get this concrete slab, feed slab, moved away. This is where the tractor's gonna... I just shouldn't get into detail, I guess. We're pushing the snow with it right now. That's all I can say. So, yeah. So far I've been just getting used to it a little bit. It's quite different than our old one. Couple generations newer or whatever, but it's nice tractor. So let's use it. We have it. Hey guys, we're out here cleaning out the calf hutches. There's snow on them. So this is what they look like before we clean them. They're all full of snow, obviously. And we want to make them comfortable. So this is what it looks like after we're done. They're all nice and cleaned out. So I'll tell you guys up on a time lapse. Watch this work.
Beautiful day in Wisconsin. Just got back from the sale barn. Had to take some cows and calves, and look at that ice and stuff. So tells you what condition the roads are in. Not very good, but we got the calves all shoveled out. That was a big job, but thankfully we had 6 really good people helping us. There were 6 of us doing that job. Caesar, Juan, Marling, Jaron, Steve, and myself. So it went good with everybody helping. So I would hate to do that by yourself. Well, we're stuck again. Gonna go, Jaron's got the 7230 and we're gonna go pull it out. But all the snow slid off the roof. No problem.
Hey guys, so it's Monday afternoon now. The snow's done. It's still blowing around a little bit, but yeah, we ended up getting a lot of snow and had to pull several people out of the ditch and off the roads and stuff. But yeah, all the chores are taken care of here. All the calves are looking nice and clean. All the snow's pushed around, piled up in some big piles around here. The calves just got fed. That's why they're bellowing in the background. But yeah, just thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.